Hey you guys, it's Kaylee and I'm coming back with another video. Today we're doing another keto recipe. Today, blue cheese pork chops is on the menu. First, we will be using Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, my favorite Lando Lakes unsalted butter, sour cream, heavy cream, blue cheese crumbled, 2 center cut pork chops, and let's get started. And first we're going to sprinkle a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt and ground pepper mixed over the pork chops. Alright, next we'll take the 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it in the skillet. We'll take the pork chops and sear them on each side for 3 minutes. Cook them on each side for 3 minutes. have the final product. I sprinkled the blue cheese sauce over the pork chop, and here we have a side of roasted carrots. You can pair it with any vegetables that you would like. String beans, cut green beans, Italian green beans, broccoli, spinach. If you want to pair it with a salad, you can do so. The second one. And there's the final. You can add as much blue cheese sauce as you would like. And just get into it. If you like this recipe, let me know down in the comments. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll hopefully have some more keto recipes for you coming soon. Have a good day.